Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome to another Unplanned video, day 2 in Geneva. Today we're getting the bus from the bus station up to Annecy. It's currently 7 a.m. We're just here at the bus station now. Just got some little baked goods from a nice little bakery on the way. Beautiful morning so far. It's already warm and it's only going to get hotter. Join us as we get this bus. This is our bus here, destination Grenoble, but we are going to Annecy, which is second last stop. Right, we've just checked onto the bus now. This is what we're having for breakfast, a little ham and cheese croissant, and it is absolutely fantastic. Do you like yours, Pam?
Lovely.
Right, we're just pulling away now, but there's people in our seats, so we're just requesting a refund.
Monday to Sunday, 8.
We've arrived in Annecy now. We've just got off the bus. Look. Annecy. So that's the bus station and that's the train station, but they told us just get the bus here and we've arrived in the town. It gets very beautiful very quick down here. We've arrived in the town. It's just cafes, beautiful rivers. So we're just arriving in town now and it looks very, very beautiful. We tried to get here like the first bus so that there's no crowds, because look at this. Wow.
This is where we're going now.
Look. This is the cleanest water in Europe, Tom said. Is that right? This is the clearest lake in all of Europe, but all this runs off the lake, look. I mean, it is pretty clear. Look at this when you're naming your place. Restaurant, bar, hotel, etc. You're just covering all the bases by calling it this. Look at the duck. Look at that cafe there. Wow. Beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Gonna go at this bridge. Look at this. Little ducks. This is pretty beautiful, man. Look. Little market area through here. So this is Annecy, which is about an hour from Geneva. Well worth a visit if you're coming through. Just out filming all these beautiful places before it gets too busy. Look at this. So at this point, this is pretty much just a look at this channel. So just look at this, have a look around. How beautiful is that? Look at that view. That is incredible. See the fish as well. Look. What an absolutely stunning place this is. This little church as well. Beautiful. Little bee hotel up there. Look at these beautiful trees here. Look. Wow. This place is incredible. Look at this water. Sleeping duck. Beautiful. Lovely. They're just using the rope. Look, it's just standing on the rope. Be nice being a duck in this water here. This is absolutely beautiful. Look. I'm getting so many shots for Instagram, so if you don't already, follow the Instagram here, Dan Unplanned. Look at this. Look at that little piece. Wow, these trees. Absolutely stunning. But what is this? Get a little paddle over. Wow. So welcome back to another episode of Look at This with me, Dan Unplanned. Just look at this. Look at this little sundial. If you see the shadow there, it's pointing to 9 and it has just gone 9 o'clock now. Wow. Magnifique. Moon's just up there. And then obviously this morning light's going to change and the mountains will be a bit more prolific soon. Right, we've just had the drone up. We're leaving this little spot now. Beautiful. Now we're going around to some bridge Pam's found. Famous bridge.
What's that?
Hornet.
Is it? It's huge, isn't it?
Size of those watermelons. We're just having a little explore around. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look, see right at the bottom. It's incredible here. Here's the love locks. Look at this lot. Jeez. Look at this building with the little statues on it.
What are you doing?
Look at this whole street.
The glass.
Look. It's so French. We're just going to stop for something to eat here, but look at the baguettes. Beautiful. Look at this place, man. This is absolutely stunning. Look at this. Oh, my word. Jeez. Look at the fountain. Little turtles holding up the top of this.
Here.
Look at this. Tintins there. Beer o'clock. Look. Absolutely beautiful place. We've just come back here and look how busy the bridges are now. This bridge isn't too bad, but you can see the mountains a lot better now. Now that the sun's further up, they're looking stunning. But this bridge, wow. When we were here this morning, there was just me and Pam on it. Get here early. Stopped here for a little drink, looking at this art. Right, just through that square is the river there, just behind. Nice little area, and this little wheat bee is lovely. Really nice. It is really busy now. Look at this. Right, now it's 1:45. We're going to go and book our boat trip and go and look out there on the lake now that the sun's fully up. Obviously it's a total different view on the mountains now. It looks amazing. So let's go down and book this boat. Look at this. Look at the bridge now. This morning there was no one here. Park's busier as well. So we're just walking down back at this bit here. Just going to look for the boat to take us out, just deciding which one we're going to do. But this heat right now. Don't get us wrong, I'm not complaining. It's beautiful. But is it a good idea to be on the water without a cover? Look at it. So this is the one we're settling on. Next one is 1:15 and it's currently 12:57 now. This boat's just pulled in. We'll take this one out, go and see all the lake. It's going to be good.
But we've got to go back to get somewhere.
Right, spot on, right at the front of the boat. I think Pam's driving actually. And this is our view. We're just going to settle in 15 minutes. I'm excited for this. Should get to see so much of it. It'll be awesome. And this is the Alps over here. Okay, change of plan. We're not doing that boat tour because we thought you just buy your tickets and then you go. We had to buy your tickets for an arranged time, so they're full. We can't do the next one because our bus back, so we're going to check out these ones here and see if these do a different service or anything, because the next one is going to be cutting it too fine to the bus back to Geneva, so don't want to risk it. Let's check these guys. Right, we're sorted. We've got the big boat. We're doing the hour and a half, all the lake, not just the small portion, the whole thing. Got some little supplies from the shop, and we are due to set sail in 30 minutes, but we've got to be there in 15. So let's walk down and chill. Lovely. 32 degrees now as well. Harrison Ford.
Hello.
Thank you.
Merci, bonjour.
Merci, bonjour. Look, it's all drinks.
Faites attention que les enfants ne courent pas dans le bateau. Hein. C'est pas un appartement. Bonjour. Bonjour monsieur. Bienvenue à bord.
Merci.
quite good. I enjoyed it, but an hour and a half I think is a bit too long. Thank you, Pam. Really enjoyed that. Did you?
You're welcome.
Did you enjoy?
It was canny. It's just so hot.
It was. It's insanely hot. It's much warmer now. Honestly, it is like, and being on the water, the sun just gets you from all angles. So we're back into town now. We're going to start heading towards the bus station and just maybe sit and have a bottle of water or something and just wait for our bus back to Geneva. That was good though. Enjoyed it. Right, we're just chilling opposite the bus station now. This drink, pure, takes you back to your childhood. Orangina. Do you remember that? That's so nice. But here we are, opposite the bus station now. Just waiting 10 minutes till it arrives. Back at the bus now. Guarantee our seats that we've reserved. 1A and 1B. Someone will be in them upstairs there. We're on the bus, we're just pulling out now. This seat here is completely broken. Good job, Flicks. Good view though. Double decker. But that has not gone well. Look, I am so dirty, but I'm not going to be last.